Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of getting notified when there's an update to Messenger. By following these steps, you'll never miss out on the latest features and improvements. Let's jump right in. If you haven't already downloaded the Messenger app, head over to the Play Store. In the search bar, type Facebook Messenger. Look for the app with a chat bubble icon featuring a sideways lightning bolt and a gradient between purple and blue. Tap on it, then tap on Install. Once installed, sign into your Messenger account. Next, tap on the 3 stacked horizontal lines located at the top right corner of the screen. This will open the menu. Within the menu, locate and tap on the gear icon next to your username to access the Messenger settings. Scroll down until you find the App Updates option. Tap on it. You will see the Messenger Update Available toggle. If it was turned off, simply tap on it to turn it on. So, to recap, download Messenger, sign in, access the settings, find App Updates, and turn on the Messenger Update Available toggle. Now, whenever there's an update available for Messenger, you'll receive a notification on your device, keeping you up to date with the latest features and improvements. Fantastic! Now you know how to get notified when there's an update to Messenger. Stay informed and enjoy all the exciting updates that come your way. If you found this guide helpful, we invite you to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications for more valuable content like this. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.